how to preserve the organization knowledge. If you're curious about what an organization knowledge is and why does ISO 9001 standard requires its preservation, I have additional videos in this channel answering exactly these questions. Worth watching. These are short videos. I'm Danielle and I'm here to help anyone who is not familiar with the quality methods to understand how to use them to make your work easier. So, how to preserve an organization knowledge? The most obvious one, which you probably already considered, is through work instructions and procedures. These are useful unless you plan to document everything. In my opinion, over-documenting using procedures and work instructions are just a waste of time and money. You may ask, why? Let's ask this. When was the last time you have read a procedure? Almost never, right? And that's exactly your answer. Neither will other employees read procedures. So don't waste your time on documentation that nobody will use. Therefore, it's worthwhile to documenting only the processes that are unique, or write work instructions to processes where the accuracy of the execution is critical. Now, another way to preserve the organization knowledge is through trainings, by creating a presentation or an explanatory document, or even an exam to test the employees' knowledge. And another method is roles rotation. For example, in the logistics department, maybe one of the employees is responsible for the import of the product, someone else for the export, and another person is handling the product's regulations. From time to time, it's worth rotating their roles so each person can learn and experience the responsibility of the others. This not only adds diversity to the work, but also fosters cooperation among the employees, also provides backup for an employee who's went to a vacation or, God forbid, is sick. For real life and ready procedures, check out the easyiso.com website downloadables page.